Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Definite integrals can be tricky when the limits are swapped, but we can solve this problem quickly by breaking the expression into two separate parts. First, we split the integral into two pieces. We have the integral of 5 times our function plus the integral of the constant 2, both evaluated from 7 down to 3. Since the original integral from 3 to 7 is -6, flipping the limits to go from 7 to 3 changes the sign to +6. Multiply that by 5 for 30. Integrate 2 from 7 to 3. This gives 2 times 3 minus 7 equaling -8. Adding 30 and -8 results in 22. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and check steps to find that option B is correct.